Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. This is end of the term question, so I'm sure you have studied all the concepts. It is just a revision for all the lessons. So this video is going to be little longer. Please have patience and try to understand the video completely. Let's start the lesson. First question is multiply 7 and 7. So you see this type of question you can have in two ways. If they say multiply, it means you have to get the final answer by multiplication. But if they say write as an exponent, as you can see here, so exponent means just you have to write in terms of power. Okay, but here they are asking to multiply, so 7 multiply 7, 49, again multiply 7, so it will be 7 times 9, 63, then 7 times 4, 8, 8, 28, 28 plus 6 carried forward, it will be 34. Okay, now again multiply, so you need to find the complete answer. 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 multiply 2, 8, 8 multiply 2, 16, and 16 multiply 2 is 32. So this will be the answer. Okay, now here they say find 4 over 5 minus 1 over 2. Now here you can see if denominator is same, then you can calculate the numerators, but here denominators are different. So students, these questions you can do in various methods. Okay, like you can make the denominators equal, you can take the LCM, or you can make the cross multiply like this. This is called crisscross method. So just cross multiply and denominator also multiply. Okay, again I am making it here so that you can understand. Cross multiply, this will save your time. Okay, otherwise you will waste your time in finding LCM or making the denominator same. So just cross multiply like this, and then denominator also multiply. Okay, so this is 4 multiply 2 minus 1 multiply 5 over 5 multiply 2. So this is 4 multiply 2, 8, 5 multiply 1, 5 upon 10. So 8 minus 5, 3, 3 over 10. And you can see it cannot be simplified further. It is already in simplest form. So this is the answer. Now this 3 and 1 over 10 minus 2 and 5 over 6. Now students, here you can see this is a mixed fraction. Okay, for mixed fraction concept you can see my another video. That is a very small video. There I have explained about the mixed fraction. Now you can calculate addition and subtraction in a very easy way also. What's that way? You just write these whole numbers separately. Okay, means it can be 3 plus 1 over 10 minus 2 minus 5 over 6. Why I have written here minus? Because here it is minus. So after that complete fraction will be in negative. Okay, if you don't like this method, then you can multiply by the direct, you can simplify by the direct way also. First you will convert into improper fraction and then you will subtract like in question number 3. Now you see we can regroup these numbers. So 3 minus 2, 1 plus 1 over 10 minus 5 over 6. So again you just cross multiply this so that you can simplify it easily. So 1 multiply 6 minus 5 multiply 10 over 10 multiply 6. So this is 1 plus 6 minus 50 over 60, that is 1 plus minus 44 over 60. So this is 1 minus 44 over 60. Now this is, take the LCM and multiply this. So 64 I am writing here. 60 minus 44, it is equal to 16 over 60. But you can see this is not in the simplest form. So what you can do here, 16 can be written as 4 multiply 4 and 60 can be written as 4 multiply 15. 4 and 4 cancel. So 4 over 15 will be the answer. Students, again I am telling you, this is not only this is not the method for this question. Okay, you can do like this also. I will tell you that method also. Maybe you will like that method more. Okay, see what you will do here. You just convert this 3 whole 1 over 10 and that another mixed fraction into improper fraction. And how you can do that? Simply by multiplying 3 and 10 plus 1 over 10 minus 2 multiply 6 plus 5 over 6, that is 10 multiply 3, 30. 30 plus 1, 31 over 10 minus 2 times 6, 12. 12 plus 5, 17 over 6. Okay. Now you can see we don't have same denominator. So what you will do here, you will take here LCM, or by cross multiplication also you can do the question. So 31 multiply 6 will be, it will be 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18 minus 170 over 60. 186 minus 70 means 16 over 60. And if you remember, we got the same answer before. So by simplified form, it will be 4 over 15. Now, here they say write as exponent. So exponent means in terms of power you have to write. So 4 to the power 3, because 4 is written 3 times. Okay. Now make sure that here you are not evaluating it, because in this question if you write 64, then this will be the wrong answer. Why? Because they are not asking you to evaluate, they are asking you to write as an exponent. Now here you see 3 is written how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 to the power 5. Here 15 is written how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 15 to the power 4. Now next is again the same question, exponent. Exponent means write its frequency in power. How many times it is written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here power 6. Again the exponent. So 1 over 3 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7. Okay. This question also as an exponent. So 1.625 to the power 2. Now next question is select all expressions that are equivalent. What do you mean by equivalent here? I am sure you know the answer. Equivalent means the expressions which has the same answer. So 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. How many times? 4 times. So one answer will be 7 to the power 4. And what can be the another answer? You see 7 multiply 7 will be 49, and another multiply 7 will be 7 by 7 49. Now if you see students, 9 multiply 9, here you will get ones place as 1. So maybe this option will be correct, because this option has ones place as 1. So we'll have to check with this. Okay. So 9 times 9, 81. So 1 here, 8 carried forward. 9 times 4, 36, and 8, 44. Leave one space here. Again 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 4, 16. 16 and 3, 19. So 1, make it plus 1, 4, 6, 10. Then 9, 4, 13, and 1, 14, and 1, 1, 2. So this is also an answer. Okay. So these are the two options correct here for this question. Next is evaluate each expression. Now you see this type of question I have explained in detail about the BODMAS rule or PEMDAS rule. Okay, I will write here for you. BODMAS or PEMDAS, both are same. Okay, means parenthesis comes first for the calculation, followed by exponent, followed by multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so here you see first we are going to do this bracket. So 15 minus 7, 8, multiply 2 minus 9. Now division comes first. So here it will be 64 divided by 8. It will be 8 multiply 2 minus 9. 8 multiply 2, 16 minus 9 means 7 is the answer. Next is of the same type of question, you see 9 plus. You see now here 8 multiply 3 is written alone. It is not with any bracket or any other addition subtraction. Okay, so just multiply it. 8 multiply 3 is 24 minus bracket 5 multiply 2 is 10. Now 9 plus 24, 33 minus 10. 33 minus 10 is 23. Another one is 4 multiply this bracket 25. 5 square will be 25, and 25 minus 12, it will be 13 minus 6. 13 multiply 4 is 52 minus 6. 52 minus 6 will be 46. Now another one is 78 minus 2 to the power 4 means 16. Why? Because 2 to the power 4 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Now this bracket 14 minus 6, it will be 8 multiply 2. Now division comes first in comparison to multiplication. So 16 divided by 8, 2 times 2, 78 minus 4 is 74. Okay. Now 9 plus 7 multiply 15 plus 3, 18 divided by 3 square means 9. Now division will be done first. So now you see here, you can multiply 18 and 7 also, but in that case you will have a bigger number. So I don't want you to waste your time in calculating the bigger number. So just you divide it first. So 18 divided by 9 is 2. Now 7 multiply 2 is 14, and 14 plus 9, 23. This is the answer. Okay. Now next one is 13 plus 4 to the power 3 means 64, because 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 divided by 2 multiply by 5 minus 17. So this is 13 plus 64 divided by 2 is 32 multiply 5 minus 17. This is 13 plus 5 multiply 32. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 1, 16 minus 17. 13 plus 160 is 173 minus 17, and how much it will be? I guess 156. Just check the calculation. Okay. Now same type of question. This is 4 plus 6 to the power 2 means 36. Now students, I have told you in another videos that if after division you have fractional number, then what you will do? Division will be converted into multiplication and fractional number will be flipped. Multiply 3. That is 4 plus 36 multiply 4, 144 multiply 3 means 4 plus 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 113, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. Okay. Now 4 plus 432 is 436. This is the answer. Now what about this? 12 plus 2 to the power 3 means 8. Again, after division you have a fractional number, so just flip it and division will be converted into multiplication. So it will be 3 over 2. Now 8 up and 2 down, it will be divided. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 4 multiply 3 is 12, and 12 plus 12 is 24. Now this is 36 divided by 3 square means 9. Again we have fraction after division, so flip it, minus 2.4. This is 36 divided by 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 multiply 4 is 12, minus 2.4. Now 36 divided by 12 means 3 minus 2.4, and 3 minus 2.4 means 0.6. Okay. Now the last question on this page is 80 divided by 4 power 2. 4 power 2 means 16, and then multiply by 5 over 2. I am sure you know the reason why I am flipping it, and why I am flipping the fraction, plus 3.75. This is 80 divided by 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40, plus 3.75. So 80 divided by 40 is 2 plus 3.75. 2 plus 3.75 means 5.75. This is the answer. Okay. Now next is identify the terms. What do you mean by term? The number which is written in between any plus or minus. So here you see 1, this is first term, this is second term, third term and fourth term. Okay. Now same here, first term, second, third and fourth term. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. Now what is like term? Like terms means, if you remember it, same variable, variable means letter. Okay. Same variable and same power. Okay. Students, if I write one expression here, 7x square plus 3x. Okay. You see, x is a variable here, x is a variable here. Are they like terms? Did you say yes? No, I am sorry for that. It is wrong. Why? Because variable is same, but power is not same. Here power is 2 and here power is 1. So they are unlike terms. Okay. So please remember this thing, that like terms means you must have the same variable means letter and same power of the variables. Okay. Now you see 4e, 7e and 2e, they are the like terms. okay, because they have same letter. 5 is taken as the constant. Constant means without any variable. Here 2 and 7 are taken as the constant. Here 3 and 4 are taken as the constant. Okay, whereas 4y and y are the like terms. Here 5a and 6a are the like terms. Okay, and what is the meaning of coefficient? Coefficient means the number which is which is multiplied with the variable. So for example, 4 is multiplied by e, so 4 is the coefficient, 7 is the coefficient, 2 is the coefficient. Okay, in the same way you can see here 5 is the coefficient, 6 is the coefficient, then 4 is the coefficient, and here 1 is the coefficient because nothing is written with y. Okay, now this is the simple subtraction of the decimal points. So this is just write up and down. Make sure that you are not doing the questions of decimal point in hurry, because normally students do the mistake here. Okay, especially when they have different number of decimal places. So make it minus 9 minus 5, 4, 3 minus 4, not possible. So it will borrow 1 from here, it will become 13, and it will become 3 here. 13 minus 4, 9, and 13 minus 7, 6. So this is the answer. Now you see this type of question I have told you before also, 3 over 4 plus 7 over 10. Now this time I'll try to explain it with LCM. Okay, now LCM of 4 and 10. I am sure you know about the LCM. I have explained in my another video, GCF and LCM. Okay, what is LCM? LCM of 4 and 10 will be the number which can be divided by 4 and 10 both. So you can see 10 can be divided by 10, but it cannot be divided by 4. But if I take 20 here, then 20 can be divided by 10 and 20 will be divisible by 4 also. Okay, now what next? Divide 20 by 4. What you will get? 5. Now multiply this 5 with this numerator. Okay, so 3 multiply 5, 15, plus same procedure you will do for this also. 20 divided by 10 is 2, and then this 2 will be multiplied with 7. So 2 sevens are 14. 15 plus 14, 29 over 20. Now you see, we got a fraction where numerator is bigger than the denominator. What is the name of this type of fraction? Yes, did you say improper fraction? Yes. So it is improper fraction, so you will divide this to write in the mixed fraction. So 29 divided by 20, it will be one time only. So 20 minus, it is 9. So answer will be 1 whole. Here comes quotient, okay? Remainder over divisor. This is the answer. Now, identify the solution. Solution means the value of the variable which satisfy the equation. Satisfy means for which left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Okay. Now you see, if I put here 5 in place of x, so it will become 5 plus 5.6 means 10.6. But here we have 11.6. So this is not the answer. Okay. This is not answer. If I take 6, so 6 plus 5.6 means 11.6. So it is the same. So 6 is the answer. In the same way, you can check 7 is not the answer. Okay. I am sure you know this method. So this number 2 question, I'll finish it quickly. Now you see, here we have to check for value of z. So if I take here 7, value of z as 7. So 4.2 plus 7, it will be equal to 11.2. And here also you have 11.2. It means 7 is the correct answer. Now identify the same type of question. Here you see the numbers are 23, 24 and 25. And what we need in right hand side? 13.3. Okay. Now let's try to understand. 23 minus 9.7. Now everyone, please try to understand. In 23 we don't have decimal point. So what we'll do? We'll write it up and down. Okay. And here up to decimal point, write decimal point and put 0. This is 10 minus 7, 3, then 12 minus 9, 3, and here become 1. So luckily we got answer in the first time. So 23 is the correct answer. If it is not, then you will try with the second option also. Or there is another method also. I will tell you. Okay. See, here this is the method by substitution. What you can do else, I'll tell you in this question. Okay. With D you have minus 8.4. So what you do? You just make it plus 8.4 both sides. So this is D equal, because this is cancel positive and negative. Now make it plus 6, 4, 10, 1 carried forward, 8, 1, 9, 9 and 8, 17. So what answer we got? 17.0. So this 17 will be the correct answer. Okay. Actually, I'll prefer this method because it will save your time in putting the substitutions, because if unfortunately you will third answer is correct, unnecessarily you will waste your time by calculating other two numbers. Okay. Now next is consider the following equation: x plus 9 is equal to 17. Which of the following values can be substituted for x to make the equation true? You can do it the same way. It is plus 9, so make it here minus 9, minus 9. Okay. So x is equal to 17 minus 9 is 8. So this is the correct answer. Solve each equation and check your solution. Now you see 6 is multiplied by x. So here you will divide by 6 in both sides. So here you will get x equal to 12 divided by 6 means 2. Same here, divide by 3, divide by 3. Why I am dividing by 3? Because 3z means 3 multiply z. Okay. So z is equal to 15 divided by 3 means 5 is the answer. Now next is solve each equation and check. Now this question deals with the fractional number. So here z is multiplied by 3 over 4. So divide by 3 over 4, divide by 3 over 4. What you will get here? Z is equal to 2 over 3. Now you see division with the fractional number. So what you will do? Multiply and flip the numbers. So it will be 8 over 9. This is the answer. Now here same method. Divide by 5 over 8, divide by 5 over 8. So it will be W equal to 1 over 2 divide by 5 over 8 means 1 over 2 multiply by 8 over 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So answer will be 4 over 5. Okay. Now next is some word problems. Students, please try to read the word problems carefully. Okay. If you will read it in hurry, maybe you will miss some steps or maybe some calculation mistake will be there. A plumber charges $50 for visit a house. Means this $50 is fixed. Okay. And then $40 for every hour of work. Every means 1. Okay. Define a variable to represent the unknown quantity, then write an expression to represent the total cost. Okay. So I am taking total cost as C and number of hour as H. So C will be equal to, see, for 1 hour he is charging $40. So for H hours he will charge 40H and plus $50 extra because it is fixed amount. Okay. Now another question, are they asking to solve? No. So this is the answer. Okay. Next is a gymnastics studio charges an annual fee of $35 plus $20 per class. I think this is like the same question. Define a variable to represent the unknown quantity, then write an expression to represent the total cost taking class. So total cost I am taking C equal $20 per class, per means 1. So 20H plus $35 fix for annual fee. Okay. So this will be the answer. Next is, okay, one more thing. In this question they can ask you, okay, find the total cost for 8 hours of work. Okay. So simply you can put, this is the extra. Okay. This is the extra part I am taking. It is not mentioned here in the question. Maybe they can ask in the exam that find the cost when he works for 8 hours. So you just put the value of H as 8. So 40 multiply 8 plus 50 means 320 plus 50 means 370. Okay. Again, I am telling you this is not related with this question, but additional information. Okay. Now, evaluate each expression for these values of A, B and C. Now again we will follow the BODMAS rule. 3 multiply A means 4 plus 18 multiply C means 1 over 3 divided by B square means 3 square. So this is 3 multiply 4, 12. 18 divided by 3, 6. 6 multiply 1, 6. Divide by 9. So this is 12 plus 6, 18 divided by 9 means 2. Okay. Now another one is a square means 4 square plus 12 multiply c means 1 over 3 divided by 7b means 3 minus 1. It is 4 square means 16 plus 12 divided by 3 means 4 and 4 multiply 1 is 4 divided by 7 multiply 3 21 minus 1. 16 plus 4 20 divided by 20. So this is 1. Okay. Now let's do this last question. Number 9. This is 2b plus 3a. So 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4 multiply c square means 1 over 3 square. This is 2 times 3 6 plus 3 times 4 12 multiply by 1 over 9. So this is 12 plus 6 18 times 1 over 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 2 multiply 1 is 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now next is find the greatest common factor. Now students, you have various methods for finding greatest common factor. Okay. By factor tree, by prime factorization, by division method. Okay. So I am telling you by prime factorization method. You see 12, you can write it as 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Make sure that you are writing prime factors. Okay. 30 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now how you find the HCF? Just find the HCF or GCF, both are the same thing. Just see what numbers are up and down common. For example, 2 is common, so write 2 here. 3 is also common, so 3 here. Okay. Another 2 and 5 is not common, so 2 multiply 3 is 6. Just to double check your answer, divide the numbers by the HCF. Okay. So 12 divided by 6 is 2, it is divisible. 30 divided by 6 is 5, it is also divisible. So it is the correct answer. Now 4, 2 multiply 2 and 16, it is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So HCF will be, you see this 2 is common, so 2, another 2 is also common, so 2. This is 2 multiply 2 yani 4. Now 9 is equal to 3 multiply 3 and 36 means 2 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 3. So this is HCF will be, you see this 3 is common, so 3, and then another 3 is also common, so 3, and 3 multiply 3 is 9. Okay. Now another question for the GCF. So same method. 35 is equal to 5 multiply 7 and 63 is equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. So what will be GCF here? You see only one number is common, 7. So 7 is the answer. Another one is 42. It is 2 times 3 times 7 because 2 multiply 3 6, 6 multiply 7 42. And 56 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. So this GCF will be, what number is common up and down? 7. Now for 54, you can have 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay. 81, it will be 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So what will be HCF here? You see 3 is common, another 3 is also common, another 3 also common. So 3 times it is common. So its answer will be 27. Now next one is use the distributive property. What is distributive property? To multiply this outside number inside. So 3 multiply x plus 3 multiply 8. 3 multiply x means 3x and 3 multiply 8 means 24. Same here. 5 multiply 6 plus 5 multiply x, that is 30 plus 5x. Here 9 multiply 3 plus 9 multiply x means 27 plus 9x. Okay. Now use GCF to factor. Factor means you have to write like this. Okay. So let's see. 16 plus 48 can be written as 16 multiply 3. Students, if you have any problem in the calculation, easiest way is to write in the prime factors and then you do this. But I have explained you already about the prime factors, so I am just telling you directly. Okay. So 48 can be written as 16 multiply 3. Now you see 16 can be taken common. Here nothing will be left. So 1 plus here it has gone out. So 3. This is the answer. Here 35 can be written as 5 multiply 7. 63 can be written as 9 multiply 7. So 7 can be taken common. 5 plus 9. This is 26 can be written as 2 multiply 13 and 39 can be written as 3 multiply 13. So 13 can be taken common. 2 plus 3. Okay. Now next is which expression has the same value as 9 plus 24? What you can do here, easily just multiply them. Okay. Multiply inside the bracket. So 3 multiply 3 plus 24 multiply 3 means 9 plus 72, which is not same like this, so cancel. Next, 3 multiply 3 plus 3 multiply 8 means 3 multiply 3 9 and 8 multiply 3 24. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Now next is use the properties of operation to determine whether they are equivalent or not. Equivalent means getting the same answer. This is the meaning of equivalency. Okay, equivalent. So this is, you see, it is just a bracket but with the addition sign. So there is no use of bracket actually. So write the like terms together, x plus x and then 10 plus 9, because they have the same letter and same power and these two are the numbers only. So x plus x, 2x plus 10x plus 9, 19. Now let's do for this also. Here you see multiplication, so apply the distributive property. 2 multiply x plus 2 multiply 7 plus 5. So it is 2x plus 14 plus 5, 19. So you see these two options, these two answers are same. So these two expressions are equivalent. Okay. Now same for this, we'll check here. So 0.5x plus 1, we cannot do anything with this because they are unlike terms, and it is 1 multiply 0.5x, so it will be 0.5x. Okay, so they are not equal, so they are not equivalent. Next is same type of question. 3x plus 2x, 5x, 5x plus x, 6x. Here we are getting 6x and here we have 7x, so it is not equivalent. Next is x square plus 1, and here you see 2 over 3x square plus 1 over 3x square. They are the like terms. Why? Because variable is same, that is x, and power also same, which is 2. So 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. Is it 3 over 3? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because denominators are same. So you will add numerator. So 3 over 3 means 1. Okay. So this is 1. So here comes 1x square means x square plus 1 plus x. So this x is extra. So they are not equivalent. Okay. Now, which of the following are equivalent to 3 over 4 8x square plus 1 and then this expression. Okay. Now you see this number using distributive property, you will simplify this. So 3 over 4 times 8x square plus 3 over 4 times 1 plus 3x square plus 1 over 4. This is 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 multiply 2 is 6x square plus, write the like terms together. So 3x square comes before, 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4. You see 6x square plus 3x square, they are the like terms. So 9x square plus denominator is same. So add the numerator. So 3 plus 1, 4 over 4. 4 over 4 means 1. So that is 9x square plus 1. So this option is matching with this. And another one, I think this also, yes, 9x square plus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4. I got it here. Okay. Another, do we have another one? No, this is not correct. 6x square plus 1 plus 3x square plus 1 over 4. No. Then 6x square plus 3 over 4. 6x square plus 3 over 4 plus 3x. This also correct. Okay. Now solve each equation and find the solution. So solve means we have to get the answer like this. I have told you before also. So just subtract 3 from both sides because it is in addition. So a is equal to 9 minus 3, 6. Here subtract 5 from both sides. So x will be equal to 10 minus 5, 5. Now here what you will do, this complete will be subtracted. So minus 3 and 1 over 4, minus 3 and 1 over 4. Okay. So z is equal to 6 whole 3 over 4 minus 3 and 1 over 4. Just make them separate. So 6 plus 3 over 4 minus 3 minus 1 over 4. This is 6 minus 3, 3 plus 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. It will be 2 over 4. 2 over 4 means half. So 3 and half. This will be the answer. Next is same procedure. Subtract 2 and 1 over 4 from both sides. Okay. Now what you will get here? B is equal to 9 plus 1 over 2. I am making it separate. Minus 2 minus 1 over 4. So 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 1 over 2 means you can make the denominator same. So 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4, that is 7 plus 1 over 4 means 7 whole 1 over 4. This is the answer. Next is same type of question with the decimal numbers. So minus 5.1 minus 5.1. So this will be C is equal to 18.35 minus 5.1. So here write 0 to make the all decimal numbers same. The same decimal places. So 5 minus 0, 5, 3 minus 1, 2, 8 minus 5, 3 and 1. This is the answer. Same here, minus 5.15 minus 5.15. So x is equal to just 23.85 minus 5.15. That is x is equal to 5 minus 5, 0, 8 minus 1, 7, 23 minus 5, 18. So 18 minus 70 is the answer. Next is some word problems are there. On Monday, homeroom 104 turned in 64 canned goods. This is 17 less than the number of canned goods turned in by homeroom 106. Okay. Now see, these are the two things, homeroom 104 and homeroom 106. It makes 64 canned goods, which is 17 less than. 17 less than means it will be here. 17 less than 106. So this is the equation. What they say, write a subtraction equation that could be used to find the number of canned goods turned in by homeroom 6 on Monday. Okay. So x minus 17 is equal to 64. This is the answer. Now next is Izan's youngest relative is 5 years old. This is 79 years less than the age of his oldest relative. So this is youngest and this is oldest. Okay. So youngest is 5 and oldest I am taking as x. So 79 years less than the oldest one. So this is equal. So this is the subtraction equation, x minus 79 equal to. Students, remember one thing, I explained in another video also, whatever you have after then, it comes first. Okay. So here it comes first and 79 go at the last, and less means minus. Okay. Now to make a cake, Rose needed 1.5 cups of sugar. This is, you see, 1.5 cups of sugar, which is 1 and 1 over 4 cups less than the amount of flour she needed to make it. So flour means F I am taking, minus 1 and 1 over 4. This is the subtraction equation. Okay. Now next is, on Sunday Jack's biked 10.25 miles, which is fewer than 3.5, fewer means minus 3.5 than on Saturday. So Saturday I am taking as S, put the equal sign here. This is the equation. So students, just read the question word by word, okay, and then you will understand it easily. Now another one is, now the same type of question with the decimal point, so no doubt it is going to be little lengthy for you. Divide by 9.2, divide by 9.2. So J is equal to 60.536 over 9.2. Now my dear students, I'll tell you the shortcut also, okay, by the estimation. Now you see, if I take this number as 60, though it's a correct method to divide it by long division method, okay, but if you have a close answer, then you can get by estimation also. So 60.5 I can take it as like 61, 9.2 as 9. Okay. Now if you divide it, it will be 9 times 7, 63. So between 6 and 7 you will get the answer. So you can check with your multiple choice options that if some option, if only one option is there between 6 and 7, so compulsorily that option will be the correct answer. Otherwise you will divide by the long division method, 9.2. And what you will do with the decimal point? Will you cancel it first? Yes, then it will be easy for you. Okay. So you can cancel the decimal point by making the decimal places same, and then you divide it by the long division method. Okay. Now same for the this also. So x will be equal to 16.068 divided by 3.9. So 3.9 almost it can be taken as 4. So 16 divided by 4 means it will be approximately 4. So just check, you will check your answer. Whatever option is close to 4, that will option will be the correct answer. Okay. But it must be just bigger than 4. Maybe 4.01 or maybe 4.02 like this. Okay. Now, Jenny exercised 6 days this week. She averaged burning 6 days this week. Okay. Average means for one. For division, for one, average 284.5 calories each day. Okay. So this is the average value. So it means this is the result of division. Write a division equation. Okay. So you see total divide by the 6. Okay. Because total, why 6 only? Because she is exercising for 6 days. So x divided by 6 is equal to 284.5 to find the total number of calories. So if they are asking to find the total number of calorie also, so multiply by 6. 284.5 multiply 6 will give you the correct answer. Next is a box of Mason cereal contains 479.4 gram of cereal. Okay, Mason eats 28.2 gram of cereal per serving. Per serving means for one serving. Okay, so write a division equation that could be used to find the number of serving of cereal Mason can eat from one box of cereal. Okay, now what equation you will write here? I think the same type of equation. Okay, see x divided by 28.2 equal to 479.4. Okay, so again read the question. A box of Mason cereal contains 479.4. This is total. Mason eat 28.2 gram of cereal per serving. So in one time he is eating 28.2. So write a division equation that could be used to find the number of servings. So number of serving means number of servings. Okay, means you have to find the value of x. So it will be not like this. It will be here. Division equation will be here. 479.4 divided by 28.2 equal to x. Okay, this will give you the number of servings. How many servings you can have? Again, you see this question. Total serving is this one. It contains this gram of cereal. Okay, you can understand like this. If you have 100 dirham and every day you take 10 dirham, so how many days you can take it? 10 days. Okay, so same here. Now the next is on a 3-hour bike ride, Rod averaged 5.25 miles per hour. Means in 1 hour he is going 5.25. Write a division equation that could be used to find the total distance. So total distance. So distance means with the formula of science also you can do, otherwise in general also you can do. This is the average. So 5.25 equal how much time he is riding? 3 hours. So x divided by 3. Okay. Next is Rowan bought a bag of jelly beans that contained 54 ounces of jelly beans. 54 ounces of jelly beans. She divided the jelly beans into bags that contain 6.75 ounces each. 54 is divided by 6.75 each. Okay. Write a division equation that could be used to find the number of bags. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now, which of the inequalities of the solution? Okay. See, inequality means you will solve like a like the equation only. But let's talk about this. -7 minus 7. So t is equal to 12 minus 7 means 5. So t is smaller than or equal to 5. So what numbers are there which are smaller than or equal to 5? 4 and 5, because 6 is bigger, so it will not be the answer. Or another method is you can do by the substitution. Put this value of 4 as t. So 4 plus 7, 11, 11 is less than 12, correct. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 is equal to 12. Correct. Okay, like this. Now here make it plus 4 plus 4. So h will be greater than 9 plus 4, 13. So what number is bigger than 13? Only this option is correct. Now same here, divide by 8, divide by 8. So r is greater than or equal to 1.8 divided by 8 means it will be r is bigger than or equal to, divide this. This is 8 2s are 16, 4 8 5s are 40, 0.25. So which number is bigger than 0.25? You can see this is 1 over 5. 1 over 5 means 0.2. 1 over 4 means 0.25. 1 over 3 means 0.33. So we have to get a number which is greater than 0.25. So greater than 0.25 means equal to also. So this answer and this answer. Okay, because 0.2 is not greater than 0.25. Now this one is 2.4 divided by n. So multiply by n both sides. Then it will be 2.4 is less than 6n. Divide by 6 now. So this is 2.4 divided by 6 is less than n, means n is greater than 0.4. So what number here you have greater than 0.4? This number is small, this number equal, only this number is bigger. So 0.5 will be the answer. Next is Mr. Young is replacing the fencing around his rabbit pens and gardens. Okay, the table shows the dimensions of the different areas. How many feet of the fencing will he need to replace 2 rabbit pens and his garden? The perimeter, they have written the formula. If they don't write the formula in exam, don't worry. It's very easy. 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply width. Okay. So what he is doing here, how many feet of fencing will he need to replace 2 rabbit pens? 2 rabbit pens. So for rabbit it is 2L plus 2W. This is for the rabbit. Okay. Because I have multiplied by 2. Why? Because he is making 2 plus and his garden. So for garden it will be only one time. So 2L plus 2W. Just write the value here. So this is 2 multiply 2L. L for rabbit is 3.5 plus 2 for rabbit with W for rabbit is 4.5 plus 2 times L for garden is 12. 2 times W for garden is 10. So this is 2 times 3.57 plus 2 times 4.59 plus 2 times 12, 24, 2 times 10, 20. This is 9 plus 7, 16. 16 and 2, 16 multiply 2, 32 plus 24 plus 20, 44. That is 76 is the answer. Okay. Now, Angel is comparing the price to print the shirt for summer camp at 2 companies. Company A here, company B there. Then initial fees. Company A has initial fees of 50. So plus $50 and 12 per shirt. So 12x. Okay, they have written here. Okay, and for this it is 15x plus 10. Okay, now for 40 shirts, so it is 12 multiply 40 plus 50 means 12 multiply 40 it is 480 plus 50 means it is 530, and here 15 multiply 40 plus 10 means 600 plus 10, that is 610. Now they say what is the difference? So difference means bigger number minus a smaller number, it will be $80. Okay. Now these are the very easy questions. More than means plus. So 3 more than hectare 8. So H plus 3, 12 fewer yani minus. So first test F minus 12, 2 and a 1 half means 2 and a 1 half, times means multiply, exercise means E letter I am taking, 1/3 of the number of yard, 4 less than the 7 times the Lin's age less than 4. Okay. Then 2.5 more than the 1/4 cost plus 2.50 more. Okay. Next is the table shows the cost of snacks at a basketball game. Mrs. Cooper buys 6 nachos for her daughter and 5 friends. See, Mrs. Cooper buys 6 nachos for her daughter and 5 friends. Okay, so total 6 persons are there. Use mental math and the distributive property to determine how much change she will receive after from $30. So for that you must get the total price for that. Okay, so 6 nachos. So 6 multiply 4.10, that is 0, 6 and 24. This $24.60 she will spend here, and she has $30. So minus 24.60. Okay. Now, is it mentioned for any popcorn also? The table shows the cost of the snack at a basketball game. I don't think so, because it is written only nachos. Okay, so 0, 4, then 29 minus 4, 5. So $5.40 she will have after that. Okay. Now, Jeffrey is making 4 batches of chocolate chips cookies. Each batch of cookies need 2 and 3 over 4. This is for one batch. Okay. So, and she has to make 4 batches. So multiply by 4, you will get the total option here. So 2 times 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 11 over 4 multiply 4. Okay. Then 4, 4 cancel, you get 11. So how much left? Left ounces will be 96 minus 11 means 85. Okay. Next is Maribel and some friends went to an adventure park. There the cost of the ticket is 374. Each person means 46.75. X is the number of persons equal to 374. So X is equal to 374 divided by 46.75. Evaluate this. This will be the answer. Okay. Now another question is 1 over 5 hour to walk a mile yesterday. So this is 1 over 5 hour for 1 mile, and total walked for 1.5. So this is X is equal to 1.5. So X will be equal to 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 5. Calculate this, you will get the answer. Okay. I think this is the same type of question. 2.6 miles on Saturday. Okay. Now 2.6 miles on Saturday. So this is total of 18.2 miles around the lake. 18.2 here. So X is equal to 18.2 divided by 2.6. Calculate this, it will be the answer. Okay. And for this also, you see $3.25 per pound, and total spent 9.75. So X is equal to 9.75 divided by 3.25. Okay. I am sure, my dear students, you understand the questions. If any problem, write in the comment. Okay. If any question is left, then I will make another video for this. If you like it, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you and have a nice time.